When it comes to replacing windows in your home, the climate plays a crucial role in determining the best options for both energy efficiency and durability. Slidell, Louisiana, is known for its hot, humid summers and mild winters, creating a unique set of challenges for homeowners when it comes to choosing windows. Understanding the local climate and how it impacts your window replacement decisions can help you make informed choices that will keep your home comfortable year-round while also providing energy savings. Hot and humid summer. Slidell's summers can be intense, with high humidity and temperatures often reaching into the 90s. This combination of heat and moisture can affect the materials your windows are made of, as well as how your windows perform in terms of insulation and energy efficiency. During these hot months, the key to keeping your home cool is reducing heat transfer and minimizing the workload on your air conditioning system. Energy efficiency is key. Choosing windows with good energy-efficient features is essential in a climate like Slidell's. Double or triple pane windows with low emissivity, low E coatings are an excellent choice. These windows are designed to reduce heat transfer while allowing natural light into your home. The low E coating helps block harmful UV rays and reduces solar heat gain, keeping the indoor temperature more stable. Windows with a higher Energy Star rating are designed to handle extreme weather conditions while offering the best in energy savings. In a region like Slidell, this can translate into lower cooling costs during the long summer months, as well as improved comfort in your home. Additionally, windows that are well insulated help prevent the warm air from entering and cool air from escaping, which ensures that your home stays cooler and your energy bills remain more manageable. Materials that withstand humidity. Because of the high humidity in Slidell, it's important to choose materials that are resistant to moisture and will not warp, rot, or deteriorate over time. Vinyl and fiberglass windows are great options for areas with high humidity because they are durable and resistant to mold and mildew. Wood windows, while classic in style, can be more susceptible to moisture damage, which makes them less ideal for humid climates unless they are properly sealed and maintained. Mild winters. While winters in Slidell are typically mild, they can still bring a dip in temperature. Insulation and airtight seals are important even in the winter months to prevent heat loss. Properly sealed windows ensure that the warm air inside your home stays inside, reducing the need for heating. Choosing windows with high-quality seals and weather stripping can make a significant difference in your home's energy efficiency during the cooler months. Consider insulated frames. Windows with insulated frames and low E coatings are beneficial year-round in Slidell's mild winters. These windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature by reducing the heat transfer from the outside. Insulated frames also offer additional protection against air leaks, which can cause drafts and raise heating costs. While Slidell does not typically experience extreme cold, insulated frames can help ensure your home stays cozy without relying heavily on your heating system. The importance of storm protection. Living in Louisiana means living in hurricane-prone territory. While Slidell doesn't always experience direct hits from storms, it's not uncommon to experience heavy rain, strong winds, and even the occasional tropical storm. For this reason, selecting windows that offer storm protection is important. Impact-resistant windows or hurricane-rated windows can withstand high winds and debris, providing peace of mind during storm season. These windows are constructed with special laminated glass and reinforced frames to reduce the risk of breakage and damage during severe weather. Impact-resistant windows are also an excellent choice for soundproofing, as they reduce outside noise, a benefit many homeowners in storm-prone areas appreciate. UV protection. The intense sunlight in Slidell can lead to fading of your furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. UV-resistant coatings on your windows can help protect your interior from this kind of damage. By blocking a significant amount of harmful UV rays, these coatings can preserve your home's aesthetic appeal while also enhancing energy efficiency. Conclusion. When replacing your windows in Slidell, it's important to consider the climate and how it will affect your choice of materials and features. Energy efficiency, storm protection, and UV resistance should all play a role in your decision-making process. By selecting windows that are well-suited to Slidell's hot, humid summers and mild winters, you can improve the comfort, durability, and energy efficiency of your home. Whether you opt for impact-resistant windows, energy-efficient coatings, or moisture-resistant materials, taking the climate into account will ensure that your window replacement provides lasting value and comfort.